In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create service reports with the Service Analytics tool in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your Reporting tab, which is on this case on the left sidebar, and click onto the Reports option right here. Once you have done that, click onto this Create option, and click onto this Create Report. Now for this case, we just need to create a report, which is on this case a custom report, or we need to create it from scratch right here. So click on Custom Report and click on Next, and it will open the Custom Report Builder. Now we need to choose right here our data. So choose right here your data source. For this case, let's choose right here our contacts. You can also add more data source if you want. Now click on Next tab once you're done. Now you just need to drag right here the fields that you want. So drag the fields from this tab. You can use filter to narrow the data like by date, or you can also search right here across segments. For example, search right here for date, choose in here the start date, and in here let me add the close date for the y-axis. Now it will generate right here this report. Once you're done with this, you just need to actually add it to your dashboard and save this report right here. Once it's done, you can head over and add this to your dashboard. It can be a new dashboard, existing one, or don't add it as well. So input right here the report name. Let's put in right here service and click on save and add. Once it's been added, you just need to enable the ticket volume and trends tab so it can be analyzed further. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links on the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.